Amuko President PH Devan appeals people to stay alert as the talk between NSA and IM and Indian government is reportedly concluding. Amuko regrets difference in regulations between hills and valleys. Manipur Democratic Alliance and representatives of BJP will leave Imphal for New Delhi tomorrow to urge the Indian President to give assent to Manipur People Bill 2018. Police disrupts fifth-day ceremonial ritual of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. And red people blocked Thangmaiban Road. A team of Imphal East District Police Commando arrests a gang of vehicle thieves from Kiamgai in Imphal East District. A 13-year-old girl from Thoubal district succumbed to Japanese encephalitis. Red alert issued in Thoubal district. And Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujam Shyam Kumar says support of family, healthcare system and society at large is needed to encourage breastfeeding. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko appealed to people of the state to stay alert as the talk between NSA and IM and the Indian government is reportedly concluding. Amuko President PH Deban stated that a letter has been given to Amuko from a Chief Minister's side to hold a talk regarding the matter. He was speaking to media on the sidelines of 22nd Integrity Day, which is held annually in remembrance of the protest carried out on August 4, 1997 to save the integrity of Manipur. The event was held at the community hall of Kwakaithel Akham Laikai today. Speaking further, PH Deban lamented that land regulations followed in the state varies from hills and valley regions and further expressed desire to make such regulations equivalent in both the regions. Deban called for unity and love amongst every community in the state.
Hojik NSN IMG wafam si aikoi warusin porakadore habisi aikoi ngarang nahandagi tare miyam singna chumasi yamna kupna yengaganda aikoi kari khongthang lorakadagi kari torakadagi habisi aikoi yamna sectional leiba mathau tai aduna ngarang simak Manipur gi Chief Minister and Biren gi adumba magi private secretary gi thak kanodagi wafam dagi akoi da CM yore masigi matangda wari sananabagi baton yore anu masi aikoi chalaganda kari leige habisi aikoi yam kupna khanagani Koi Manipur da Lairiba, Chingdana law ama, Tamdana law ama, Sanaraganda, Equaji divide Toraga Lady. Masi Indiagi state Amata da Todaba, Posak Amakani, common land law ama, Icona Tamba Matotayana, a Hamzaningi.
A team of Manipur Democratic Alliance and representatives of BJP will leave Imphal for New Delhi tomorrow to urge the Indian President to give assent to Manipur People Bill 2018, which was passed in Manipur Legislative Assembly. Speaking to media in a press meet held at office of Siv Sena in Babupura today, President of Siv Sena Manipur Unit and MDA convener M. Tombi recalls that earlier a team of MDA has already apprised the President to give assent to Manipur People Bill to protect indigenous people of the state. He further appealed of the state to support the second journey which will set off tomorrow. Expressing contentment over the full attendance of the ministers in yesterday's state cabinet meeting, M. Tombi appealed to work with unity in future for the welfare of the people. He also expressed his firm belief that the government will surely uncover the mystery behind the death case of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School.
Honorable Minister ga akoi tare tara thona tanadana Manipur People's Bill sigi matangda akoi Delhi pangjagadabani loina magi nong likna suba aduga matam sana nong sudaba ising leite haibidi yadaba aduga low ubudi yadaba sumaina akoi gi sarak sahingnaba sigumba akoi gi nature gi khudol se masi tasengna haikanda akoi masi gi matangda su yaragadi akoi Manipur gi miyam gi damuta mathagi lakadur sai sida akoi gi longmi singmi singi thogdo watpana maram morakanda akoi gi mung manungi leiba ki oiba aduga keno da mateng pangminaba akoi gi leiriba abasta phatama mayam singse akoi home minister da amade yaragadi akoi prime minister bobu unana mohona jagani aduga akoi president unaraga Manipur gi leiriba abasta mayam singse akoi marik sumna tamjuru nabagi tanja do ayeng imphal thadokpa sida akoi laujage na khali.
Intense scuffles occurred when the police obstructed the public from carrying out the 5-day ceremonial ritual of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School today. The public took out a rally carrying a flower-decked chariot for the ritual ceremony from Ima Kunto Hanbi to Khoyathong. However, a large number of Manipur police personnel obstructed the public at Khoyathong. The police personnel seized various items from the public, including the chariot and microphones, and carried away in a van, following which intense scuffles occurred among the enraged public and the police in the area. The enraged public further blocked Thangmaiban Thao Ground Road. Singjama United Club Organization Suko observed a 2-minute silence to pay respect to the departed soul of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. It was observed at the first general body meeting of Suko, which was held at YWO Club, Thokchom Laikai. Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narembam Samajit, bestowed a song titled Had Nawa, dedicated in remembrance to the late girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School upon the father of the late student, Ningthokjom Tomcho, today. The song was performed by the singer of Salai Laithau Sanglin, Roji Hisnam. Speaking on the sidelines, Board of Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Mayang Lambam Tolen expressed deepest condolence upon the unfortunate death of the late student and shared the griefs of the bereaved family. Chairman Narembam Samajit asserted that he wrote the song expressing his deep sorrow and grief over the deceased student. A 13-year-old girl from Thoubal district succumbed due to Japanese encephalitis this noon. Diagnosed with high fever, the girl was hospitalized at Thoubal District Hospital on July 27th and later shifted to RIMS Hospital. She was confirmed Japanese encephalitis positive during a blood test conducted at RIMS. Thoubal District was issued red alert in July as 11 individuals suffered Japanese encephalitis and 2 individuals with dengue. Speaking to media, District Chief Medical Officer Dr. N. Jayantakumar stated that District Malaria Office Thoubal, under the aegis of National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, fogging were done at various parts due to increased number of people suffering from Japanese encephalitis and dengue. He added, JE virus is transmitted to humans through the bite of infected Culex species mosquitoes. Dr. N. Jayantakumar urged people to drink stagnant water and to use a bat net impregnated with insecticides to avoid Japanese encephalitis.
Manipur district krada Pogpogom Pawan district J case pange Hosi Pauguda case Karamathoi pange aduga dengue na case ani pange asi J sando tanaba amadi prevention gi damakta koi tawakkan na wana jai immunization gi matang je so routine immunization je gi adum chatajari mari laina ba line department sing veterinary adagi sanitation gi JPO gi kambu ga so kari tawmin na ba ya ge haido DC gi sing ta da kana jagane.
Keshamthong constituency's former BJP representative in the last assembly election, R.K. Sivachandra, stated that though Keshamthong constituency lies at the heart of Imphal, people of the constituency are deprived of various schemes provided by the government. He further drew the attention of the authorities concerned, as most people in the constituency does not own National Food Security Act card or health card. Residents of Khagempally dread straight 200-meter-long Vaishal Maril to avoid artificial flood today. Speaking on the sidelines, R.K. Sivachandra asserted that most of the roads in the constituency are in deplorable condition, as the former and the present MLAs are busy blaming one another for such condition. R.K. Sivachandra urged the authorities concerned to avail the benefits of various government schemes to genuine beneficiaries of the constituency.
Maruina Keshamthonggi lambi thongse pura yadre hodam lambi yadre naingi yadre panbirami basing sisu akhoi sidadi tongan ba mi karak panate mi miyo yani thangna na karak pani sahi tara kunse mamang da ka gi sungda dum taisanai hauju ka bi re sunu ahi masi Keshamthonggi oina yam laibak thibani haijaningi city me aida khwaidagi pura scheme mayam sing kaim kana ba phangdaba mafam amu oirabane health card maximum paina de nafsa gi card National Food Security Act ki makha da piba mi im da ching kg manga phangiba sigi card si maximum paina de disida record ta lerambadi ay adu paidabni na thabak oin onthokpa am bogade.
Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujum Shamkumar asserted that mothers failing to breastfeed their child is not good. He further asserted that support of family, healthcare system and society at large is needed to encourage breastfeeding. Minister Shamkumar stated that the same during World Breastfeeding Week 2019 observance held at Thambalnu Market in Andhra, organized by Breastfeeding Alliance of Manipur. The Breastfeeding Week was held in association with Development Kendra Andhra and will be celebrated till August 7th. Speaking at the event, Minister Shamkumar stated that mother's milk is nature's gift for every child. He added, breastfeeding not only benefits the child but also improves maternal health of mothers. Shamkumar asserted that with fast pace of modern time, one needs to maintain one's own tradition and culture. Maintaining that women has a great role in shaping a society, he calls upon people to support mothers in making the upcoming generation fit and healthy. Shamkumar also appealed BAM to extend support in commemorating this year's World Breastfeeding Week at other parts of Andhra too. BAM President Dr. N. Jitendra, Secretary Dr. Kurajam Ranjana, Patron Member Dr. K.S. Jorjit, BAM National Trainer Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, Dr. Shamkumar Laishram attended the event.
आई इसासी अंगांग पोप कांद इसवना मोन पीबा खुदोन दु फजना खोमलांग सी अंगांग पिथत्रबा मंगोन सु लेना अमजी लादा बने same time that mother will get different sickness different disease properly feeding to dagari magi breast that लेना amla ने बा अदि मसा दोसु properly feeding to dagari मसा दोसु अतो लेना मेमा फॉर्म तो आने बा सिने ने फन ngasi world breastfeeding week and doctor मेम पांथोक तना अंदरो के ngasi पांथोय सिकी खुदम माने ममा की कैरेक्टर समाने बा अंगांग कैरेक्टर समाने मागी जाति की धर्म की लेंग नाशन तोंगा लगसु मागी ममा और बेगी तक्सी कासी सन लोंसर मसा फीडिंग तो गदबा मसा यंग बिगदबा अदु मयाम दि कोई चपचाना कोई चलगदी पृथ्वी से साहकनी अमदि मणिपुर साहकनी.
All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Contract Lecturers DPC Phase Candidates Association 2018 took out protest demonstration at Keshampad Lemajam Laikai Community Hall today. The protesters condemned the failure of the authorities concerned to declare the result of DPC to recruit contract lecturer of Government Higher Secondary School, which was conducted last November. Speaking to media, Association Secretary General Akoijum Romeo stated that the Chief Minister himself has assured to declare the DPC result. He further warned of intense agitation, including ban, blockade, if the authorities concerned fail to declare the result at the earliest.
Huju phawba hidokna amarom ojasingi mental harassment pibiba dagi ojasingi career bu tasengna pungning chingsinbidaba mase khoi warujai DBC si athu matam lauthupigine hagan lauthupidana leibasi solution gi maikai dagi yamna kanbu khongjang kya sungjoi soidana khoi changjel lakani habagi sapsaba sem sadan lojare tangai phadana candidate singna loina Manipur pumbagi ban amadi economic blockade phawba khoi sungjoi soidana torokani. Hujib Hauba Hidukana.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Imphal East District Police Commando team arresting a gang of vehicle thieves from Kiamgai in Imphal East District today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. As a part of the security measures to prevent vehicle theft in the state, Imphal East District Police Commando arrested a gang involved in vehicle theft from Kiamgai area in Imphal East District today. Speaking to media at SP Imphal East Police Station's campus in Porampad today, additional SP operation of Imphal East District, Thangkochom Haukip MPS stated that, acting on a tip-off, Imphal East District Police Commando carried out search operations in Kiamgai area. The team arrested one 19-year-old Thobal Mayum Saddam Hussein, alias Saddam, son of Tomba from Thobal Mojing Nongpok Laikai under Thobal district during his search operation. One Oppo F3 mobile along with one Jio SIM card, a wallet with 120 rupees, one driving license and one silver-colored I-20 car bearing registration number WB06D7953 were recovered from him. Upon conducting necessary interrogation, the team were able to arrest one 19-year-old Mohammad Ziaz Rahman alias Rohit, son of MD Burhadin from Lilong Khunau in Thobal district. One Oppo F9 phone, one Jio and Airtel SIM card and one silver-colored Activa were recovered from him. The team also arrested one 19-year-old Mohammad Imtiaz Khan, son of late Mohammad Azid Saha from Lilong Jinkham Dam Makhalaikai. One Samsung B31P phone along with one Airtel SIM card and one red-colored Activa were recovered from him. The SP further asserted holding such drives to prevent vehicles theft in the state.
Pohang to Buddha, Mamangda, Sumaina Moise Gari, Huralaga, rupees 15,000 to 20,000 changs, the Moina, Yolamena, why disclosed away. Moina Hydroc Pasida, Activa, Bullet, Dio, Access, Pleasure. Masisi moi main target ne hai irrigation da akoina nauna khangba mona huran ma mandabida moisi dress yam nana set laga sarkar ki thabak professional white collar worker dauna moisi yam smart oina dress toraga gari anoba sing se tong aga moina parking college aduga hospital asum sida moi chatlaga hoji gari se lokhal laga lilong dam da leiba mioi ani sida moisan sumaina yon thok le se ngasi gi interrogation dagi phangba ngamle aduga makhata na Imphal East Commando na criminal gang se phagatna ba kanna investigate chathagani daga phaba su ngamgani anbi akhoi asa yam chauna thamjari.
A team led by Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra planted 200 tree saplings on the theme U Thaminasi Asangba Moirang Kendra Amagidamak at LLI Low Canal of Ngangkalawai, Bishnupur district today. Ngangkalawai and Thamnapokpi BJP Development Committee, Ngangkalawai Gram Panchayat and MLA Office Moirang took part in the tree plantation drive. Speaking to media, MLA P. Sarachandra stated that the climatic condition of the world is changed due to global warming, leading to which farmers faced water scarcity problems due to less rainfall during monsoon season this year. He added the tree saplings were planted to avoid such situation in the coming years. Sarachandra also asserted that tree plantation drive will be carried out in the low-level canals from Fubala to Kwakta.
Tree plantation U Thabagi Thabak Sanction Labase, Pubala de Horogai, Kokta Power, low level canal, Sigi Paringa, Sidali Sanction like Togani, Putsengi, Sing Watpani, Sing Chaubani, Adanaiko Durgadi, Kangadori Bisicarino, she remedy Tirakomatam, preventive measure, Amona talk Tanabagi situations here when a salvage, Tonobi, the Tanimatu Pandam, the Quenasi Sanction Labase. Tree plantation U
Presidents of Thangmaiban Improvement Club, TIC advocate Ngangom Tej Kumar flagged off a cycle rally come awareness campaign from Kangla Western Gate today. Go Green Group Manipur organized rally come campaign on Beat the Pollution and distributed tree saplings to local clubs in Imphal. Later, an awareness program was also held at Thangmaiban Improvement Club, Lila Singh Kongnangkong, and tree saplings were also planted as a part of the program. Patanjali Yoga Samiti Manipur and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal East jointly planted 200 medicinal plants in the campus of Yaibirel Children Home located at Kaibi today. The medicinal plants were planted under the theme Hidak Pambi Singbu Thijinduna Punsi Kayabu Kalasi. 26th Battalion Assam Rifles Thoubal planted 1,000 tree saplings today as a part of the project to plant 10,000 tree saplings under the guidance of 9 Sector Assam Rifles Headquarter IGR South in order to improve our environment. Forest and Environment Minister Thamnaujam Sham Kumar, District Forest Officer Thoubal Laikfrakpam Debla, CO Colonel of 26 Assam Rifles, C. Vidyadharan and top officials and personals of Assam Rifles attended the event held at the campus of 26 Assam Rifles, Khongjom. Manipur Students Federation and Art Society Manipur jointly organized a painting competition on nationalism and patriotism ahead of 15th anniversary observance of Pebam Chittaranjan today. It may be recalled that Chittaranjan succumbed to injuries after attempt of self-immolation, demanding to repeal draconian law Armed Forces Special Power Act of 1958. More than 100 students from class 8 to 12 participated in the competition held at Shrine of Keshampat, Lairenbi. Speaking to media, MSF President Ngariambam Milan assured of continuous agitations along with people of the state until the wish of late Chittaranjan is fulfilled, that is, to uplift the draconian law from the state. He added such competition will aware upcoming generation of ASPA and that every individual has a role in abolishing the law. Milan further appealed to people to take part in debate competition and online photo competition, which will be organized by MSF in relation with 15th anniversary observance of Pebam Chittaranjan.
Class 8 to 12 pawda leibiriba mayamsina yeiba akhoi lai sing asi akhoi magi masagi own creativity masagi own talent to the yeksarakpa lai sing sina marol amam lola kanda makoida mare pangmaram dam nungsibigi chang do katai bog yoge habado chang on na bigi tanja mikuba dusuni pantongan ba akhoi open category de ngaktani debating ga photography ga se mamaduna message manipur da leiriba tongan ba mahiroi su oisunu adege tangan ba akhoi field da thabak tobiriba sinna kwai puna mangna competition sing is Yobiraganda, Akwigi, Lamdam Sidais, Amuba and Armed Forces Special Powers in 1950, they say repeal to Buddha, Adu Yaminasi.
Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Mayang Imphal MLA, K. Ravindra has donated his one-month salary to old age pension today. BJP Mayang Imphal Mandal, in association with BJP Manipur Pradesh, jointly carried out Mandal Membership Drive 2019 at MLA K. Ravindra's residence in Mayang Imphal Thana. Speaking at the event, MLA K. Ravindra asserted that the donated month's salary will be used to provide old age pension for the elders above the age of 60 in Mayang Imphal constituency.
I only have my little I am Mongan. Safety, Pangima, all expenses, Central Pangima, all expenses, Matam Kari, Hunter, Napa, Hansinam, Hana, Tomiba, Mindi, Paga, Masari, Sayo, Hanasirama, Adu Nato, Handri, Tato, Mufare, Akoyi, Riva, Kaya, Pamira. Man, Fami and Rista means to make it about Theo Sui, Mita, Munga, Hamure,
A book entitled Nungsi Khungul Liba, written by Guru Aribam Ghanapriya, was released at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall today. Convener of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, Nongmaigthem Kiran Kumar, President of Laimarol Khoijaikol Laikol, K.S. Subadhani, and many eminent people attended the event organized by Laimarol Khoijaikol Laikol. Now the sports news. Manipur Fencing Association MFA felicitated the Manipuri fencing players who participated in the 2019 Asian Fencing Championship at the residence of Secretary of MFA W. Ranjit in Laifam Kunau Mayai Laikai today. Manipuri women fencer W. Thoibi, L. Khusbu Rashni and P.H. Anita participated in women fall match, while T.H. Dinah participated in separate match of the fencing championship held at Tokyo City in Japan from June 13 to 19. W. Ranjit took part in the championship as the team manager of India. Minister of Arts and Culture L. Jayant Kumar, Secretary of MOA Sunil Elangbam, President of MFA T.H. Joy Kumar and eminent members of the association attended the felicitation program.
Mon Sanagado determined to view at Machida, Quiki sympathizer Mayama, Groom Tongno Mayama, the Hanayam Yauri, I am Chanel Matuma, Matim Pamponage, the Lona Taraptagi, Hell, Amusum, family welfare, Sigi, Taraptagi, Kading Making the Kala Tarakati fame, session, the Natagana, Manipur language session, I Harapaganda, the Kala Haragadi, a Matuki Begin Kola Layet and Matum Kambiro, the Lona Sanavisin Yanga, Post Minister Gitanaga, or the Sanavising the Kanava Pibia Makalgi, and Novakan Sebo River Makalgi, Potama, Post Medicina Bizamachida. Particular Ayi Makadela, Makalgi, Hospital, Amada, Madugi, spacious over, accommodate Tovia Makal Jagamada, Sea Sports Medicines, Masima, Tonganama, Hangsera, Habibaklo, Namatona, Matakan Suwak Tojaria, Manipur, Mayan, Payan, Hariba, Arsenal Culture, Lamda, Amasung Sporta, Yahagadi focused of say, and I was a Bakuki, Matatonaba, Matu Aiki Taltagi, Barantato, Jadi and Habeduma.
Players of Manipur Arm Wrestling and Old Manipur Woodball Association who bagged medals and brought laurels for the state were accorded a warm welcome today. Manipur Arm Wrestling players won the best team, runners-up in the 47th National Arm Wrestling Championship held at Chhattisgarh from June 19 to 23rd. Manipur team who participated in the 17th Senior National Woodball Championship for the first time bagged 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. The championship was held from June 14 to 17. Khetrigao MLA N. Indrajit, Mawa President T.H. Rajan and Upa Daksha of Top Nauria Gram Panchayat K.S.H. Tama and many renowned persons attended the program held at the Community Hall of EYCA, Kongpal, Hirangpham.
Social Sanabasi, Wagner, competition, Yawa, when Manipur is Mami Sakabani and Singapore. Manipur, Indias and Sakapa, Amaway of the Absent. And the Sanabakudiba, when you get the Sanaba Hasi, Marty, they play the Manipur, and you are as Amnesty and Homesu, and the Hanga Hokunasu, any of the Kabati Hokunasu, I do not feel related. When a number of Kakonaga, we must say now, Canada, Sarah, what to put on about when we are 1 million, as you put into the negative and the sequences, and
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Amuko President P.H. Devan appeals people of the state to stay alert as this talk between NECNIM and Indian government is reportedly concluding. Amuko regrets difference in regulations between hills and valleys. Manipur Democratic Alliance and representatives of BJP will leave Imphal for New Delhi tomorrow to urge to give assent to Manipur People Bill 2018. Police disrupt 5th-day ceremonial ritual of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. And red people blocked Thangmaiban Road. A team of Imphal East District Police Commander arrests a gang of vehicle thieves from Kiyamgai in Imphal East District today. A 13-year-old girl from Thoubal District succumbed to Japanese encephalitis. A red alert issued in Thoubal District. And Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar says support of family, healthcare system and society at large is needed to encourage breastfeeding.